And in this lesson, we will exercise the previous lessons. Like I'll show you on your screen. You can see on your screen here is some lessons. Like the first one is here, Zabar, Zir, and Pesh. Okay, these signs you read the lesson number fourth. And the second one is here, to Zabar. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my channel, Quran Learning Zone. I hope you are doing well. So today we will start from the ninth lesson of Noorani Qaida. In this lesson, we will practice the previous lesson. Okay, and today we will change this Qaida because of some issues. But you don't worry and don't be scared. That is very easy Qaida. Okay, that is not difficult, and you can read everything easily. Okay, now you start with me. Before starting the lesson, I would like to tell you about this lesson. In this lesson, we will exercise the previous lessons. Like I'll show you on your screen. You can see on your screen here is some lessons. Like the first one is here, Zabar, Zir, and Pesh. Okay, these signs you read the lesson number fourth. And the second one is here, two Zabar, two Zir, and two Pesh. These signs you read in the lesson number fifth. And the next one is here, Kharizabar, Kharizir, and Ulta Pesh. These signs you read the lesson number seventh. Okay, and the next one is here, Mada letters, and Alif, Waw, and Ya, Ba, Bu, Bi. You already read these letters the previous lessons, like lesson number 8. Okay, in this lesson we will exercise these lessons like Khari Zabar, Zabar, Zir, Pesh, two Zabar, two Zir, two Pesh, Khari Zabar, Khari Zir, Ulta Pesh, and Mada letters, Alif, Waw, and Ya. Okay, so that is very easy for you. Okay, so now we will start from here, and now you practice with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Here is the first letter, and you can see on the top of this letter here is a kharizabar, and this kharizabar, this sign you read in the lesson number 7. Okay, and now we will start from here. Hamza kharizabar, mim zabar ma. Now you read together these two letters. Its sound is ama, ama. And the next one is here, Nun Zabarna, Amana. First letter you make it longer 1 second, and the second one is you make it longer just half second. Like these two letters, Mim and Nun, have no length because you can see on the top here is a Zabar, and also the next one is Zabar. So you know that what is the length of Zabar? Its length just half second. Like you don't make it longer. And if you see the if you look at the previous one, like Kharizabar, so its length 1 second. That's why we make it longer this letter. Amana. Okay, you really like that. Amana. And the next one is here, Hamza Kharizabar. And next one is here, Waw Kharizabar. Wa. Its sound is wa. Yeah, it's a silent letter here. It's written here, but don't read it. So its sound is and the next one is here, Hamza Khari Sabar, Noon Zirni, Ani, and the next one is here, Ya Zabariya, Aniya. Its sound is Aniya, and the next one, Tatu Zirtin, Niyatin. Okay, its sound is Niyatin. And the next one is here, Hamza Kharizir E. Here is a Kharizabar, like the next sign. And the next one is here, Lam Kharizabar La. Ila. Make it longer 1 second. Ila. And the next one is here, Fazir Fi. Its sound is Ilafi. Ilafi. Okay. The next one is here, Hamza Zabar Ya I. Noon Zabarna, Aina. Its sound is Aina. Okay. And the next one is here. Ba zir bi. Ha khari zir he. Bihi. Its sound is bihi. And the next one is here. Jim alif zabar mad ja. Here is a mud on top of this lesson, and you know that its length 4 to 5 seconds. Okay, that's why we make it longer this letter ja, like that. Okay, and the next one is here. Hamza zabar its made is ja, and the next one is here. Jim zir ya mad ji. Jim connect with the next ya because you can see on the top of ya here is a shad sign, like jazm sign. Okay, and it's meaning to join the previous letter with the next letter. That's why you read with joining, like jim zir ya mad ji, like that. Hamza zabar ji. Okay, and the next one is here. Jim waw pesh ju. Ain to zir ain. Ju'in. And the next one is here. Kha waw zabar khaw. Fa to zir fin. Khawfin. Okay, this one is a lean letter. You can see first one is waw and the before letter zabar on top of it. Okay, khawfin. And the next one is here. Khaya zabar khay. Ra to peshrun. Khairun. Khairun. And the next one is here. Dal khari zabar da. Wow ulta pesh wu. Da wu. Make it longer, same length, these two letters. Da wu. And the next one is here. Dal pesh du. Da wudu. Da wudu. Okay, zal khari zabar za. Lam zirli. Zali. Kaf zabar ka. Zalinka. Its sound is zalinka. And the next one is here. Ra zabar ra. Dad waw pesh du. Radu. And the next one is here. Sheen alif zabar mad sha. Hamza zabar sha. Okay, and the next one is here. Mim khari zabar ma. Lam zirli. Mali. Kaf zirki. Maliki. Maliki. And the next one is here. Sheen zabar ya shay. Hamza to zir in. Shay in. You don't make it longer, this like shay in. There is a wrong because this one is a lean letter, so you read in a normal sound. Shay in. Shay in, like that. Ta zabar ta. Ghain khari zabar gha. Ta gha. Okay, and the next one is here. Ta zabar ta. Ghain zabar waw qaw. Ta ghaw. Okay, ta ya zabar tay. Ra to zabar ran. Tayran. You read like that. Tayran. And the next one is here. Ain alif zabar a. Dal to zir din. Adin. And the next one is here. Ain zabar a. Lam khari zabar la. Ala. And the next one is here. Ain ya zabar ai. Nun to pesh nun. Ainun. Okay, the next one is here. Fa ya zir fi. Ha zir hi. Fihi. And the next one. Qaf alif zabar qa. Lam zabar la. Qala. Qala. Okay, so you practice this lesson. This is the first part, and the second part we will start from tomorrow, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah Hafiz.